Okay, this is a job number HP 0718. It's a 170-ton frame type down acting press. The press was rebuilt, cylinder rebuilt, new hydraulic unit. Customer supplying the control panel. We currently have it hooked up to a switch box so we can manually switch the solenoids and run it up and down. We're going to go ahead and do 2 cycles, come down, build tonnage, decompress, and then go back up. Press has fast down regen, and then it goes into slow for pressing. That's slow speed for pressing. Now the press is at full tonnage. Go through a decompression, and then fast up back to the top position. And we'll repeat that. The different speeds are all controlled electrically depending on which solenoid you energize. You can have it go fast or slow in regen or slow breakaway. Now we're at full tonnage again. We go through a decompression. Usually takes a half to 1 second. We'll return to the top position. That completes HP 0718.